Lou Clark here, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should start a business. But before I do that, just a reminder to check out the links in the description below for all the great resources, including my free What's Your Money Superpower quiz. Oh, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It's over here. Hit that subscribe button. Being an entrepreneur for over 24 years, I can vouch that having a business is one of the best things you could ever do for your life journey. Here are my 5 reasons why you should own a business. Number 1, you get to play the tax game. When you own a business, there's certain things that you do in your normal life that actually could be expenses in your business. When you have a corporation, you get to play back and forth between your business and your personal life to save taxes. Having a business can save you taxes. Number 2. This is one of my favorites. You can expense things in your life that you normally wouldn't be able to write off. Now, if you're like, what does expense mean? So basically, when you have a business, the items you buy for your business, you deduct them from the revenue you've brought in. Whatever's left over is what you pay tax on. So if you're already buying a cell phone or a computer or AirPods or, I don't know, chargers or a cup, these types of things you can actually expense through your business. So you don't have to use your after-tax dollars personally. You can use these items and deduct the expense from your income, which means you pay less tax. If the item qualifies, please make sure you check with your local government to see what is allowed and what is not allowed. But what I do know is a computer. If you're going to buy a computer, you got to use a computer for your business, right? Such a good one. Number 2 is such a good one. Number 3, you begin to grow something for yourself. You stop putting all your time and your energy into somebody else's pocket. You start to make money for you. You can control how much you charge. You can control how much you spend. You can control how much time you put into the business. Stop putting your time and energy into somebody else's business. If you're working a job, start a side hustle so that you can one day, this is your job and this is your side hustle, one day it flips. Start working for yourself. By the way, we cover side hustle in another video, so make sure you check for the link below. Number 4. This is probably the main reason why I personally started a business when I was 17, is because I saw my parents working for other people, realizing they had to go to work from X time to X time, from X day to X day, and I wanted freedom. When you own your own business, you create freedom. You work when you want to work. You create your own schedule. There's nobody telling you what to work on, when to work on it, when to go home, telling you have to do overtime. It is you. It is your time. You create the freedom. When you create a business around something you love and you merge that with creating your own schedule and creating that freedom, you will realize that when you do what you love, you will never work a day in your life. You'll never work a day in your life because you love what you do so much and you're doing it for yourself. Will you work more hours in the beginning? Of course you will. But it's for you. No more 40-hour work weeks when you start. You'll probably be working 80. Or if you're having a job, you're going to be working on your side hustle to build that business in the nights and weekends. But it's worth it. Create a business to give you the freedom that you deserve. Number 5, create a legacy. Your business is a legacy. It is what you created with your own hands. You built that business. It's making you money. That's a legacy that you can pass down to generations. Or you could sell the company and retire. I don't know about you, but when I worked a 9-to-5 job, there was no way of selling my position so I could retire. It meant you quit or you got fired. When you own a business, you control the exit strategy. So important. So those are my 5 reasons why you should start a business. Even if it's on the side, even if it's something small, and if you're like, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start. One of my tips I'll give you for that is just to sit down with a notebook and think about the things you like, the things you love. What do you love to do? Chances are the thing that you love to do the most could become a business. Friends of mine, they love to be at the lake. and they love to be in boats. So they bought a boat to do boat tours for sunrise and sunset. Business, hello, yes. Isn't that cool? Anything you love, you can turn into a business. So I invite you, get a piece of paper, get a notepad, sit quietly, start making a list of the things you love, and maybe it's something you start working on today. I hope these 5 reasons give you the urge, the curiosity to look into starting your own business. Until next time.